everybody. Welcome to our evening session here at Trademy.com. Nice to have you here, guys. And an interesting afternoon is waiting for us. As you know, we had a quite successful day. Yes, so far. But we still have two positions running, which are not very profitable. And by the end of this trading session, I will decide what I will do with them. I have a position open at for Italy 40 and 1 for DAX, and I will decide by the end of this session what I will do with those two trades so far. Let's see who's with us in this afternoon. Thank you for coming. I hope it suits your daily program much more this hour. If it's so, just let me know. So I see already David from UK. Hello, David. Nice to have you here. I think it's your first time that you joined us, right? Is it the first time? You hope you will get used to us. And if there is any kind of question, David, do not hesitate. Is it so loud? I just wondered you hear it very clear. I didn't know that it's so loud, but thank you for the feedback. I'm a bit enthusiastic. Yes, I might raise my voice without noticing it. And good that you remind me. If it's bothering you guys, just let me know, and I will try to keep it in control. So let's go for the next one. We have Arun. Hello, Arun. Also, Arun is very new with us. Nice to have you here. Ivana. Where are you from, Arun? Nice. Ivana, Jenna is with us, and Malcolm. Hello, Malcolm from Toronto. Okay, nice to have you here. Malcolm is with us. Michael. Hello, Michael. Patrick and Rachel. So, guys, if there is some questions or something shouldn't be clear, just type me on chat and I will get back to you. We will now, the markets are, there's already some time since the markets open, so they will slow down a bit. We will slow down a bit with our speed, as you know. During the US opening especially, I got something in my eye. We really speed up and make some trades, one trade after the other. Now in the evening session, we calm down a bit. We check out what we did during the day. We check out why we trade certain trades. If you have any question about any trade which we opened during the day, you can always ask about them and we will check. Malcolm is asking me, all you have to do is pass the course and you get funded. Okay, these are questions which you have to discuss with your account manager about the accounts and the funding and the courses, etc. These are questions regarding this. You have to contact your account manager and he will clarify that based on your course which you booked and your results you made. I can't give you a correct answer on that. Malcolm, I see also Michael just replied to you, and for further details, just please contact your account manager. So let's start. So far, we traded quite a lot today. We opened a lot of trades. We closed a lot of trades. and we still have two positions which we need to close, and we will decide. I think those ones will be a bit problematic, but we will see. We closed USA 30 gold, USA 100, Italy 40, and again today our biggest profit maker was so far gold. You see that here we had a $4,000 profit. Here we two and a half, three. We made quite a lot of profits on USA 30 and also on USA 100 and on Italy 40. So let's see what will be the next. So until now, we made the $32,295, and Malcolm is asking how much you need to make two up to 300,000 $300 per day. I will come to this question in a while. I see a nice entry possibility, and I will open now a position on gold, but because now the market is a bit slowed down, I will open now a smaller position than the usual one. I went long on gold, and the reason why I went long, guys, we had a general uptrend today on gold. You see all our trades are long. Then after our afternoon session 2 hours ago, gold dropped significantly. It dropped approximately $5 within 1 hour, and now it's catching up, and this move will try to get the high of today. It will try to get the high of today, and that's why I went long. So I opened a long position, and I will enter also my take profit. As I said, we slowed down now. The markets are calm. The European, as you know, the best trading times are when markets are overlapping. When two markets are overlapping, or best case when three markets are overlapping, then it's a perfect time to trade, because then it's the highest volatility on the markets, guys. Then we have the highest volatility on the markets, and that's why we see a lot of activity at our afternoon session at 2:30 GMT when New York is opening. You see how big the volatility is. And now currently still two markets are open. It's the European market is still open, London, and also the US market is open. But the European market is starting to go towards the end. That's why the volatility and the volumes will now go a bit lower, and then in approximately 2 hours it will start slow down, and then the Asian market starts. So that's why now we go with small steps and get some money with small steps. So we opened our first trade so far. Let's go. We opened our first trade. Okay. These are the two trades which are worrying me, Italy 40 and DAX, since this morning and these are the best examples why we have to close positions on time, and I will explain them as well in a short while. So David is telling me, do you have to be up at stupid times to make good money? Well, I know that for you in Canada, it's a bit too early to wake up. I think it's 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock. No, 5 o'clock p.m. 5 5 o'clock you are not in Canada, for David. Sorry, I mixed it up. Sorry. No, it's not that you need to be up in very crazy time, especially when you are in UK. At 7 o'clock GMT, the US, New York, the London Stock Exchange is opening. So DAX and FTSE, it's very well and good to trade at that time. And then later on at 2:30 GMT, New York Stock Exchange is opening. So there we kick really in, because the European markets are open and the US markets are open, and there we kick really in. And I think it's a quite reasonable time if you can combine it with your daily life and your daily jobs. I think it is not a bad time to trade. And especially for you from UK, it should be a nice time. It's for 2:30. I think it's makeable, right? Now it's 5 p.m. for you. For me, it's now 7 o'clock in the evening. For some of our Canadian students, it's much, much earlier. So we try to get the best time for all of you guys. So back to the question of Malcolm. He was asking me how much he needs to invest to get $200 and $300 dollars per day. There is no real formula about this, Malcolm. It would be a lie if I tell you, okay, put X amount and you will get $300 per day. There is no formula for that. It depends on your strategy first, and second, it depends on what are your risk reward approach, because there are traders which they really like to be in risk, they don't care, and there are traders which they are more safe. You have to find first your trading strategy, and then you make the mistake which a lot of traders do. They say, I want $300 per day and I want to invest just $1,000. Doesn't work. It's like having a coffee place. Okay. It's like a coffee place. If your coffee place, if you have just a certain amount, a very narrow investment budget over there, and one rainy day comes, nobody buys a coffee, nobody comes to your coffee place, and you run out of your investment. It's the same. So it depends on your general setup. We can discuss this more detailed when you come to a one-to-one session to make it more detailed based on your needs. So before I come to David's questions, thank you for the question, David. Before I come to your question, let's put a take profit on this trade. We are making already $1,500. Guys, I will close this position on gold. $1,500 within 6 minutes. It's a good amount. There we go. We just closed this position on gold. We just closed this position with $1,500, and I think it's not a bad deal within 6 minutes on gold. And we are waiting now for the next pullback to enter it again. This is the strategy what we follow. We see a general trend. We see a general setup, a general trend, and we trade this general trend. So let's go also to USA 30. Also USA 30, it's moving nicely here. I will go also a short position. Here we go. I just opened a short position, and what USA 30 will aim is this low over here. This is the target. Let's get it a bit clear for you. This is the target which USA 30 will try to aim and try to get. That's the take profit I will put. Here we go. I'm putting this as a take profit, which is at 22,000. Oh my God, USA 30 dropped below 23,000. It's hilarious. It's hilarious. It's a very, I think it's, okay, however, so 22,880. Let's put it at 22,880. This is the take profit we set. And when we see that this candle grows higher than the previous candle, and I'm talking also about the sticks, then we increase our exposure. Okay, guys? Very simple, and then we will continue. So this is our next trade on USA 30. USA 30 is Dow Jones. We are short on Dow Jones, our second trade for today. And on the same time, I will enter also a sell position on USA 100. USA 100 is also giving us right now some profits. Also here, I will aim for the previous low. The previous low is at 6,200. And since the zero numbers are very psychological level, I will not put it at 6,200. I will put it at 6,202. Because I believe at 200 it will try to reverse again. And on USA 100 we are making already $300, guys. We are making already $300, $400. And on USA 30 we are making $600. Nice one, guys. Nice one. So USA 30, come on, USA 30. We are very close to hit our take profit. And then I will come, let's have a look also on gold. Gold. We need a pullback on gold to enter. It's still no pullback, so we will not get there. And then we will get here. So once again, Malcolm, you need to come to a one-to-one session or discuss this very extremely with your account manager, because we need to make a need analysis and a type analysis. You can't just say, okay, I want to make $300. How much I need to open a coffee shop? It's not. You have to make a need analysis, what kind of coffee shop, and so on and so on. It's not as simple as you think about it. So either you come to a one-to-one session and we make a very detailed need analysis, all based on you one-to-one, and we discuss and we put a certain amount down, how much you need, and then we take it further down. Is that okay with you, Malcolm? So now we will go back to David's question. So David is asking me regarding the trading hours. So what you are saying is that you should be around a certain key time. You can't automate this if you are busy. Yes. Like there are always possibilities in the market. Always there are possibilities in the market. You just need to go and grab it. But on certain times of the day, like when the markets are opening, when there are certain news, then the volatility you expect is much more. And to grab the fruit from the tree is much easier at certain times, and this is what I mean. No, we don't have managed accounts, Malcolm. So guys, this is important. As I said before, if the candle goes be higher than the candle before, we go again sell. So we go again sell now on USA 30. We just opened again a sell position on USA 30 because this candle is higher than this candlestick. You see that? That's why I opened now again a short position on USA 30, and I could do the same also here on USA 100, but on USA 100 we missed the right opportunity. So I will wait now again to come to that level, and then I will enter. So, Malcolm, you mean expert advisors? Expert advisors? Well, I don't see the point why you should put an automated system to trade for you, because an automated trader, especially the way I am trading, Malcolm, it's based on fundamentals and based on technicals. It's not straightforward that you say, okay, if the stochastic is above 70 and I don't know, the Bollinger Bands are above 40, then do this, then do that. A robot is just that. You have to program and this will follow. It will not take care that we had just right now interest rate decision. That's why the market goes up and down. I'm long enough in this business, I'm very long enough in this business to say that there is no robot which will make money. And if there is a robot which makes money, they will not sell it. They will just sit and make the money by themselves. You understand what I mean? I saw a lot of people which they really lost money because a robot might work 2 months, and in a certain month, just because of a day like yesterday. I don't know, yesterday you were in our trading session in the afternoon when we had the interest rate decision. I think you were not. On a day like yesterday where the markets are really crazy, they just blow out. They just blow out. So let's see. Let's go to the next ones. So we have now. Okay. Malcolm, you are asking about a broker. It's not correct for me to blame a broker or to promote a broker here. That's why I will not tell you it's good or not. It's all brand names. It's like if you would ask me, do you prefer Adidas or do you prefer Nike, or you prefer Apple or Samsung? You know what I mean? It's like you put me in a difficult position. I have experience with all of them, but you put me in a legally difficult position to sit here and give you an advice which broker you should use. Don't misunderstand me, but it's like you put me in a legally difficult position. Hello, Susan. Susan also just joined us. Nice to have you here. Guys, let me write down the 2 trades which we have currently open, the 3 trades which we have currently open, and they don't move very well. But okay, we need some time, and we have to check also gold. Never forget gold. Gold is nice. However, let's write first our trades, and then we will go to gold, and I will check if we have further possibilities on gold. But as I said, now we will slow down with our trades. It's not the crazy trading hour, the rush hour of trading, what we do, the power hour. What we do at 2:30 GMT. So let me see. We have two positions open on USA 30. We are short on both. We have different entry levels for both, but our take profit, I didn't put a take profit yet, is for the second one is at 22,880. 22,880. This is my take profit. 22,880. For the USA 100 position, yes, we have positions. They don't move very well right now. I have to analyze them now once again and see if we close them with a loss or what we do before the loss is going to grow, especially on USA 100. Oh, let's see, because also it's coming close to the Bollinger Band, to the middle Bollinger Band. I have to analyze that a bit further. And then I have also one short position on USA 100. I think over there I jumped too fast in the market, guys. I didn't make a proper analysis, but we see. We see and I will decide. We see and I will decide. So on USA 100, I entered at 6,224, 20.25, and my take profit on USA 100 is 6,202. Here we go. This is our other trade. On gold, we have to check also gold if we find a nice entry level on gold, as we did with our first trade for the afternoon session. Okay, let's check the gold trade all together. So this is the daily chart of gold. This is the move of today on gold. We started at 1,244 and now it's at 1,261. Already 61. So we are up $17. Hello, Mark. Oh, you are from California. Nice. From sunny California, Mark. Welcome. Nice to have you here. So, yes, gold went up today $17. It's a very, very strong move which happened today after the interest rate decisions of yesterday. As you know, Fed hiked the rates yesterday. Mark can definitely tell us what's going on over there. And this pushed the market strongly up. This pushed the market strongly up, especially the gold market. And now, if we go to the hourly chart, we had this pullback. After a pullback on a long-term trade, we see now again the push towards the high, the previous high, which is here. When we go to the 5 minutes chart, we can see I will go again long. I will go again long. I'm going long right now on gold, guys. I just went long on gold because I still see a movement up, guys. I just went long on gold. So I have another one position open on gold. And USA 30 and USA 100 I don't like. I don't like USA 30 and USA 100, but we will analyze it. So gold is already in profit. Guys, let's put the take profit for gold. We will go always with a movement of 50 cents. Okay, David, I will come to your question. Now let's put a take profit and I will tell you. 1261.85. This is my take profit. So, based on technical analysis, for David's question is, what makes you to think it's going to go up? And I guess he's referring to gold. Let's go to the daily chart. On the daily chart, we saw a very strong move up, right? Then on the hourly chart, we saw, based on technical analysis, this is just pattern reading. I'm reading now the patterns. That we have movements, we have pullbacks, then again up movement, which is the uptrend, because the market is on an uptrend. We have here on our parabolic SAR indicator still indicating a strong uptrend. Then we have again a strong pullback, and when we have a pullback, we expect that the market will go aim to go again to the high of previous. And there we go, guys. Ching ching, we closed the trade. We just closed the trade on gold. We just closed the trade on gold. Here we go. We needed for this trade just 3 minutes and we made $1,560. $1,560 just because we interpreted the charts correctly. Why? Because we saw again here a drop on the hourly chart, and afterwards we are expecting the market to turn and go to the high of the previous drop. This is the previous drop, and the chart was aiming this. And when we go to the 5 minutes chart, like we go from the big picture, smaller, 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 to see and put a smaller picture. You understand, David? And then when we go to the small picture, we entered over here. We saw that the candle dropped. We saw from our indicator, from our stochastic indicator, that it's still going upwards. This is what I read on the stochastic oscillator. So I opened a long position, put a relatively narrow take profit, which is still lower than the high of the hourly chart, than this one, and we hit the take profit. You understand? It's like you go from the big picture, cut it down, you see what is the general direction, you cut it, and you get confirmations from the one, from the other, and then you put also the indicator in, and accordingly you enter a position. You understand, David? This is the strategy. This is the strategy, and especially on this kind of very strong strategy, very strong trends, this strategy works amazingly good. It really works amazingly good. The only thing you need to be carefully, it's the moment you reach previous highs. Like now, it's very close to the previous high. This is the previous high and it's close. Now you have to see if it will go higher or not. You understand? Like now it's like, but if you have a pullback, if you see that the market drops and then you enter again a long position, then you know it. Then you know that this is what it will aim. Yes, David. Very simply, you can say that. But I got also the confirmations from my indicators. I got the confirmation from the parabolic side. These are the dots over here, that they still show on the smaller time frame that there is a movement up. And I got the confirmation here on the stochastic oscillator. And that's why I went up. So now if I go now this is the 1 hour chart. If I go on the 5 minutes chart, I will not enter now again a long position for now. I have to wait. The candle to be lower than this candle. You understand? It's the candle, the last bearish candle before the move. So when it comes again to this last bearish candle, I will enter again a long position. David, I know it's very, very complicated, and you think like, okay, what she's doing right now. But believe me, when you follow us a few times, and you will see I'm always doing the same. When I see a trend like that, I'm always doing the same. I always do the same. I think you can ask, for example, Rachel. Rachel follows us now for several weeks, almost months, more than months. Yeah. And I'm always doing the same. This is what I do, and this is how I make my money. Very simple, very simple. You just need to understand the patterns. And you need to get the nose for that. So let's go for another example, which is at USA 30 and USA 100. Because always, Rachel is always with us. Thank you, Rachel, being with us. So the bad example right now is USA 100 and USA 30. Because the trend is your friend until it ends. Yes, the trend is your friend until it ends. And this is the next difficulty, to understand when a trend is ending. This is the next difficulty, and maybe it's even more difficult than understanding a trend. So let's go to USA 100 and I will explain you. By the way, before okay. So this is the gold trade. I will leave gold here and go to USA 100. I get now good feeling. I see USA 100 and I feel happy. So guys, as you remember, once we start the trading session today, this afternoon, we opened a sell position over here on this candle over here on USA 100, because we saw this downtrend. David, you are with us? We saw this downtrend, we saw a pullback, and we said, okay, now it will aim the previous low, which is here, and that's why we put our take profit here. Right, guys? Yes. So one eye is always on gold. That's why if I stop at some point talking, don't wonder why my eye is on gold. Just for you to know. So, guys, then the market pulled back stronger because we had a very strong reverse. Hello, Ruth. Nice to have you here. Welcome. I think it's also your first time. If you have any questions, you do not hesitate to write them on chat. I'm more than happy to help you out. So now I'm explaining one specific pattern. Guys, I'm selling again USA 100 just for your information. I just entered again sell position on USA 100. So I increased my exposure on USA 100. So, and I will explain now why. So we saw over here that the zero numbers, this is something you will hear me telling very, very often. Zero numbers are a psychological level, support, a resistance level. So, or in this case, a support level, because a trend is coming. We have the number 6,200, zero numbers. It's always difficult to break below this. It's always difficult to to break below this kind of level, 0 numbers. And what happened? The market reversed. Here we reversed. It went up. But we see on our stochastic oscillator that the stochastic oscillator is showing a cross above 80. This over here is our stochastic oscillator. This chart, this is the indicator which shows reversals. And now this indicator is showing a reversal, that a trend will come down, that the price will drop. Okay? So this is the first indication that we have. Stochastic oscillator shows that it will reverse. First one. Second one, on the Bollinger Bands, the middle Bollinger Band, you can accept also as a resistance or a support level, that the price will try to break it, and if it doesn't have the enough power, it will reverse. Here we see it's reversing. So what we do, it's the second confirmation. Two confirmations. And what we are having over there, we have $400 right now on this position. And on USA 100, on USA 30, we are making $2,000 right now. Let's close the $2,000, right, guys? It's enough. Let's go and check USA 30. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. The same picture, guys. Look at it. The same picture. USA 100 and USA 30, the same picture. So somebody raised his hand. Welcome, welcome, William. So if you have question, guys, it's easier. Michael, it's easier if you type your question on chat. It's much more easier for me. So please type your question on chat and I will come back to you immediately. So guys, this is why I decided to go short, and this is why I decided to enter once again a short position. I hope I explained it clearly. But this is the strategy I'm following on daily basis. Every day I'm following this. So I will repeat this all the time. No, Malcolm, I will not make a course for penny stocks because I don't like penny stocks. I like indices and stocks which are in the indices and ETFs and baskets. But penny stocks are for me like not really something. But it's my own opinion. It's my own opinion. I like stuff to see and based on and trade on something which is based on, and nice one. So then we have two trades from this morning, guys, which are moving on devastating since this morning. Since this morning they are dropping. No, they are not dropping since the morning, but I don't like them since the morning. I will explain it in a short while. And then now on gold, guys, gold. We have to check gold. Gold now, it's important moment now. Guys, now it's a very, very important moment on gold because gold went higher than the previous high. We have a new high now on gold. We will not enter now this gold trade. We will wait to come to this level over here and then we will enter it. No, Arun, I didn't have any stop losses. I don't put any stop losses. Just later on, when I see that the market is not moving as I want, because I normally try to close my trades within the trading day, I try to close them later on. I set the stop losses if I leave the positions open overnight, and that's why I don't have stop losses. No. Guys, on USA 30, I want to close my positions. On USA 30, I want to close my positions, but before I close them, guys, let me see. Gold is an interesting moment right now. Gold is an interesting moment right now. Maybe we will face it. Before I go to gold, I close my USA 30 position with $2,000 profit. Here we go. $2,157 profit on gold. So let me see, guys. On gold, I have to take a decision now. On the 1 hour chart, I see a move up. On my indicator on the half an hour chart, I see also a move up. And also on the 5 minutes chart. Guys, I will buy now also. It will go again up according to my movements. You can see here we get the confirmation. David, look, here we have the confirmation. We have the confirmation here on the parabolic SAR. I opened just 30 lots, a small amount. On the 15 minutes chart, we have the confirmation. On the 5 minutes chart, we have the confirmation. I put again just a 50 cents movement as my take profit. So 1,260. 3.70 is my take profit. A very narrow take profit, not a big take profit. 50 cents movements, very small ones, and we go there. That's the one we put. So on USA 30, we close the position. We have another one position on USA 30. On USA 100, we have still the position. It's running. It's giving us right now $500. On USA 30, let me see. Like USA 30 will drop. So we sell again. We sell again and get a bit more out of it. Here we go. Since it pulled a bit back, we sell again and make again a small profit on USA 30. On USA 30, I will put my take profit at the entry level of the previous trade. No, at 22,910. It's my take profit. Already making $400 on this position. Okay, on USA 100, I have to put a take profit, and I will put my take profit at the entry level of the previous trade, which is at 6,224.25. So it will appear over here. Here we go. I have two trades with two entry levels and two my guys on USA 30 right now. I'm making $1,000 just right now. Okay, now it moved a bit up, but it's okay. Here we go. $900. Yeah, make it a bit bigger. It will get there. It will get again to that level. It's just, guys, it's a very strong drop. We had here a reversal because of the zero numbers. It moved up, and now it will come back again to this level. Easy as that. Easy as that. It would be pity not to trade these movements. Bad example. Now I will give you a bad example, guys. Italy 40 and DAX. As you know, we have a YouTube channel, and tomorrow you will see this trade on our YouTube channel on the recordings of today. So in the morning, I opened a buy position on Italy 40, and it was crystal clear, and I was profiting. I opened it in the first hour of the trading on this one. The market moved up. I have a long position. I opened again a position, and I put a very big take profit. And I left it going, and it was just, we would say in German, doodling. It was just moving around the entry level, not really breaking out, and I left the position. I should have closed it at that moment, but I got greedy. I got greedy because I was, according to my analysis, I was expecting that Italy 40, based on the positive news coming from Italy, that it will aim the opening, the closing price of the day before here. That's why I was saying, no, these small movements are because of the breakout. Yes, we had a breakout, but downwards. And I'm long. So I'm making a big loss on Italy 40, guys. I'm making a big loss of $6,000 on Italy 40 right now. And I will close this position. I will close this position and accept the loss. It's $6,000. It's $6,000, guys. Sometimes we have to accept the loss. And the same picture is also on DAX. I have the same picture, exactly the same story. I entered on a correct time. It was profiting. I got greedy. I didn't close it on the time. And what happened? Bam, boom, bam. And the market dropped against me and moved against me, and I made loss. And I said, okay, I will keep it until the evening. I will keep it until the evening. I will close it. I will close it and accept my loss so far. It's okay. Let me see. We made $37,000 for today. $37,000. It's not bad, guys. We had a really good day. Normally we are aiming, here we go, we are getting another $1,200 on gold. Guys, läuft. It's going very well. We make quite good money right now. Look at gold. Look at USA 100. Look at USA 30. We just messed up with DAX and Italy 40. There we go. We closed already again our gold trade. We closed again our gold trade, guys. $1,530. We closed it. Let's check gold. It moved up. We got it. Nice one. We need to accept also the loss on DAX and Italy 40. So USA 100, what USA 30, what's going on over there? Hade, let's close also. It will get and close. So let's go here to Italy 40 and close our position. Here we go. Oh no, it's again one of those moments, guys. Italy 40, I'm going to close now. And I will close my position now. It's difficult sometimes, but we have to do it. We have to do it. Here we go. We just close this trade and we go to DAX and we close also our DAX position. So I closed 2 trades. Hello, Jenna. Nice to have you here. Yes, I closed 2 trades. I made another one just opened, we closed another one on USA 30 with $2,778. Hello, Pramesh. Welcome. Nice to have you here. And we increased our profits to $31,685. It's a nice one. Still, we closed almost $10,000 of loss today. More than 10,000. Look here, we had also these ones. Almost 11,000, 12, 11, $11,500 loss so far, but $31,000 of profit. Not bad, not bad. Sometimes we just need to accept the losses and get rid of them. So USA 100, USA 30, now they are moving, guys. Here they are moving. The money is getting there. You just need to trust a bit your skills, and it will be okay. On USA 30, we are making $700. On USA 100, we are making $700. We will close also them, and then we will be happy. So, for all of you newbies, tell me. How was the first time with us in the live trading session? Give me feedback. Give me feedback so I can improve. We can improve our live trading session for you guys. As you know, hello, Donald. As you know, for example, at the beginning, David told me my voice is very loud. I tried to calm it down. I hope it was okay later on. And as I said, if you have any kind how do you create a need plan? A need. We don't create a need plan. We analyze your needs and we create for you a trading strategy or based on your needs. What we do for that, Malcolm, is you get in touch with your account manager and tell us that you would like to have a one-to-one session, and your account manager has direct access to our calendars, mine and Kyriakos. You tell with which mentor you would like to have a one-to-one session, and we discuss your needs, and based on your needs we create a strategy for you and a trading plan for you based on your needs. That's what we do. So what the requirements to focus? Is it experience day by day? Look, Pramesh, you did the best step by signing up for Trademy.com. This is the first very important step, because here you don't get just the practical knowledge, not just the practical knowledge. You don't get just the theoretical background. You get both. You get your courses where you get your theoretical knowledge. What is failure swing? What is how to read the patterns? What to read on the patterns, how to identify patterns, or all the other needs you all the other knowledge you get. Guys, I'm getting ready again to sell USA 30, by the way. I'm selling again USA 30 just for your information. I'm short again on USA 30. And because of this, you come already prepared with certain knowledge to the live trading sessions. And here you see how we apply this knowledge while trading. You know, like here I'm trading. These are the first formation of failure swings. I'm trading failure swings, and if you had finished the course already, you know that this is a failure swing, and you know how to trade that, because otherwise you can open also a book and say, "Oh, this is a failure swing." Yeah, well, what you do with a failure swing, or this is a Bollinger Band breakout. Well, what you do with a Bollinger Band breakout. These are, you know, on the live trading session, you get the experience for that. You understand? So Malcolm is asking me how much a one-to-one session costs. So it depends on your course which you have. If you have an intro, starter, and so on. I will get in touch. Do you know who's your account manager? And I will find out who's your account manager and tell him to give you a call and explain you. Patrick. Okay, Malcolm. I will talk to Patrick to call you up and explain you according to your package how much a one-to-one costs, or if it costs for you. It depends on the package, on the courses you booked so far. So let's see. On USA 30, we are already making money, guys. We are already making money on USA 30. That's nice. $1,000. We are making $1,000 on USA 30. And I will close this position with $1,000, $1,500, $600. There we go. We just closed our position. When you have this kind of patterns, it's so easy to trade. It's just $1,617 on USA 30, and we needed for this trade just 2 minutes, guys. I mean, you see it. You see the pattern and you trade. Straightforward. You see it, you trade, you get the money in, and that's it. That's it, guys. That's it. It's so easy. Sometimes it's really easy to do so. Sometimes it's really easy. Now on USA 100, we let it run. We will hit a take profit and it will be okay. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the afternoon session. So far, we made $33,302. A nice amount for the day. Normally, we are expecting around $15,000. Today, we got a bit more. Tomorrow, maybe it will be a bit less. But we had a very successful, nice trading session. We still have 2 positions running. And it's okay. So let's see again gold. Guys, this is what I mean. This is what I mean. Look at gold. It dropped. You see, and now it will, if we enter now, it will try to get the high of before. However, I will not put any positions anymore. Rachel, you're welcome. I really like you. You know that. we enjoy to trade, and I told you also already before. So, Pramesh, can I ask you a question? Always, how much money do you make personally? We don't talk about money, Paresh. It's my living, you know. Me and Kyriakos, we have the nice opportunity, or the luxury. I would call it a luxury because it's really a luxury to do our hobby as a job. Not a lot of people on earth have this luxury, and Kyriakos and me, we have this luxury, and it's just enjoying and giving us the biggest pleasure. For me, it's a really big pleasure. And I think you can all see that and feel that. However, I enjoyed another nice afternoon session with you. I hope you had also. Yes, Donald, this shows how satisfied I am, right? However, I wish you all a nice day ahead for all of you from Canada. And for all of you from Europe, I wish you a nice evening and I hope to see you. Yes, Pramesh, I hope the same for you. I hope the same for you. It is a big luxury, and we really enjoy that. um, I wish you all a nice evening and a day ahead. And hopefully tomorrow morning at 9 o'clock, I will see you again here at trademy.com in the live trading session. So have a nice evening. Bye bye, guys.